Science Clinic platform. We are the basis. Motion and different shapes of the moon. The moon does not emit light itself. The moon's light we see is actually the sun's light reflected off the lunar surface. So, as the moon orbits the earth, the sun lights up different parts of it, making it seem as if the moon is changing shape. We have 8 different phases of the moon. The first one, new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent, and lastly coming back to the new moon. A simple demonstration of how the moon is orbiting the earth as the earth is orbiting the sun. Still continuing. Note, the moon revolves around the earth once every 27.3 days. The moon is revolving around the earth. It starts at the new moon, when the moon is in between the sun and the earth. Here, we can't see anything, as in the moon is not visible, since no light from the sun is lighting up parts of the moon. Now, if it rotates about 45 degrees, a small illuminated crescent becomes visible. The moon is now said to be waxing. Don't forget, waxing refers to the growth of the moon's image. Suppose it rotates about 90 degrees. Here, the moon reaches the first quarter of its phases. It appears as a half moon. One half of the moon is now heat up by sunlight. That is the first quarter of the moon's rotation. What if it reaches 135 degrees? Here, the moon reaches the waxing gibbous as it tries to move towards the full moon, and the lit up part of the moon continues to grow as you see it from the earth. When it rotates and reaches 180 degrees, it reaches the full moon. When the moon appears as full moon, the entire side or face of the moon is illuminated and visible from the earth. And when it rotates about 225 degrees, there is a mistake there, it reaches the waning gibbous. After the full moon, the moon begins to decrease again. The moon is now said to be waning. More so, when it rotates up to 270 degrees, here the moon reaches the last quarter. The moon continues waning until it reaches the last quarter, also known as half moon. There you can see it clearly that it is decreasing. And suppose it rotates up to 315 degrees, it reaches the waning crescent, and here a small illuminated crescent is visible. Decreasing in size, the moon is transiting back to the new moon. There. Baletedde banno aba Hikma Phone Services and Electronics wali ekalere ku NG Complex beba kafulu mu kukanika amasimu nga bakozesa ebyuma eby'omulembe, bakozesa gadgets ez'omulembe okukanika essimu yo bweba efunye ekizibu kyonna. Batunda amasimu gonna, tunda solar panels ez'omulembe, oyagala ufa, electric wires, oyagala bulb, oyagala antenna, oyagala fan, percolator, heaters, oyagala earphones zifanana zitya, oyagala charger, headset, flash discs, byonna babirina. Aba Hikma Phone Services and Electronics wali Kaleerwe ku NG Building Complex wojja okubasanga. Bokka abagenda okuguza flat screen ennungi ate nga ya buwangaazi. Eno TV bagikugira mu box ng'ate eriko ne garanti. In case efunyemu obuzibu osobola okujja n'otunyonnyola ne tulaba ekyokukukolera customer waffe. Togenda mu bafere nkugambye ekifo kiri kimu mu ba Hikma Phone Services and Electronics. Don't forget to subscribe to the Science Clinic platform. You have been with VJ Sharp. Thank you for watching.